Okay, so while I was sleeping, this thing arrived. It is a USB audio adapter, as it says right here. And it allows you to connect the 3.5 millimeter microphone to to your USB, so that you can use your 3.5 millimeter headset mic as a USB microphone. If you don't know, the pink one is the microphone thing, and the green one is for the headphones or speakers or whatever. Now I'm gonna open it. And this is the thing that I unboxed. And I'm gonna be using this as the test for this. So yeah. Oh, and I'm gonna be using the my Turtle Beach headset mic for this. So yeah. Yeah, it's time to use this. I heard it was a pretty good headset mic, so yeah. This can also be considered as as a 3.5 millimeter to USB adapter. Okay. Oh, you can actually. Oh, and when I connected it to my laptop, it's allowing you to use it as a microphone. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, okay. Oh, so it actually works, huh? Nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna. So okay, so this actually works. What I'm using right now is a blue is a what I'm using right now is a Turtle Beach headset mic. Like I'm using this as a test for this. I'm using it as a test for this adapter that I have. The adapter about of what this video is about. If I'm even wording this right. Oh my God, driver support. Come on. Okay. So this is indeed the headset mic that I'm using, and it actually works because of this adapter. And yeah, I actually like this adapter. It's actually pretty cool. And yeah. I don't have much to say in this video about the adapter except this is Ryan Zamora saying see you later.